Today we're going to take a look at linear equations and see if we can solve these exercises. Alright, let's start with number 1. We have 4x minus 2 and that's equal to 17. Alright, so basically when we're doing equations, what we're trying to do is leaving the letter by itself. Alright, in order to do that, we have to take a look at the bones and start cancelling the bones from the weakest bone to the strongest bone. Alright, so in this case we see we have two bones. We have a multiplication, which is 4 times x, and we have a subtraction, which is 2 subtracting x. Alright, so between the multiplication and the subtraction, which is the weakest bone? Well, we know that a multiplication is stronger than a subtraction, so that means the weakest bone in this case is the subtraction, right? So we're gonna cancel out that subtraction by using the opposite operation, which is an addition, and we have to do it on both sides. All right, so now we cancel out this subtraction and we end up with 4x equal to 19. All right, so now we only have one bone here, which is a multiplication, so we have to cancel out that bone, right? So again, since we have a multiplication, we have to use the opposite operation, which is a division. So we divide it by 4 and we have to do it on both sides. Alright, so now we just cancel out that 4 and we end up with x by itself, right, as I said at the beginning, and we have 19 over 4 on the other side, right? So now let's do one more example. We have 2, which is 7q plus 2, and that's equal to negative 9. Alright, so again we have to look for the weakest bone, which in this case we have again a multiplication and an addition, right? So the multiplication is stronger than the addition, so that means our weakest bone here is the addition, right? So in order to cancel out that addition, we have to do the opposite operation, which is subtracting 2, right? And whatever we do to this side, we have to do it to the other side, right? So that way we cancel out that positive 2 and we end up with 7q equal to negative 11. Now again we have a multiplication here, so we have to do the opposite operation, which is a division. So we divide it by 7 on both sides, right? Now this cancels out and we end up with q equal to negative 11 over 7, right? Alright, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.